Hello everyone, welcome to Acme Spoken English classes. So today we will come to know that what is dowry. And you know that I think it is called a bad evil in our country. But you know that because of this many people are suffering because they have to give something and some items in his daughter's marriage. So today we will come to know about that. So today Dr. Saab will tell you that how can we remove from our society. Okay, just first of all, I would like to call on stage Dr. Suresh to define about this topic. Welcome.
I am speaking on dowry system. Dowry system is very bad system in our society, in our country, because it is like as a great evil in our society. But some rich people are promote this because they are already capable, and they are already capable, and there is no problem to give must dowry in girls' marriage. But some many people are very badly effective from this bad system. Uh, According to me, it should not such bad system in our society, in our country, because it is very bad thing for every Indians. And because after marriage, their girls are so bothered in her laws, and many times they get out from in her law because of less dowry. So and many times they wear to this bad the bad problem in her lives. But when they do not bear to this problem, so they commit suicide many times in our laws. Uh, so according to me, it is very bad system in our society. But and uh, their parents very bothered because of money problem, uh, because of give dowry in a girl's marriage. So I want to say with all those topic, to our government, it should finished from root in our society, in our country, because this system is a very bad system. This system is very kalang system in our country, in our society. We should in about that problem. If it is happening with others, so tomorrow it may happen with us also. So to our government should pay attention properly to this problem.